Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Claire. Well, today I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how I get my bouncy curls, and I'm going to show you all the products that I use to achieve this look. So yes, you will need a comb, a pin, you also need the brush, and of course you need the hot comb. Well, the very important part is the curling tongue, of course. And also we need the pin to hold the hair in place. So yeah, let's begin. Well, of course, we have a very important ingredient here, which is actually the heat protector, because this is what's going to protect your hair from the heat. So I went along and I spread a little bit onto the hair, and of course I'll go ahead with my comb. So I either use the comb or I use the brush. Usually the brush is best because it's going to detangle the hair perfectly, and you can see I just switched it. So you need to place the downside like this, just as I did, and then you turn it around once right under, and then you pull the hair a little bit, you twine, and while doing, you need to open like very little bit, like open and close, open, close, open, close, gently open, close, then you turn it around, open, close, and right there you need to do it till the hair is like nearly finished and everything should be in the tongue, just like I did it right there. And then just that little bit can stay out, like the very tiny hair should be left outside, and then that's it. Few seconds, you just remove it from there, just like that. Okay, and this is where the pins come in. You just need to use the pin and hold it in place, because if you let it go, the curls will probably it will get loose. Actually, not probably, but it will get loose, so you should make sure you use that. So I just went ahead and I sectioned the hair, and I kind of made it in a way that I really like. So you can always trim your hair and always make it to look, just to achieve the look that you actually want. So that's the look I'm going for. So I partitioned the hair again, and I just went ahead using the heat control and heat protector on my hair. So yeah, I'm just going to give you another close-up of how I do it in order to achieve that fluffy and bouncy curls. Remember, when doing this, you don't need to rush. You don't need to rush. Take your time and make sure you are achieving exactly what you're going for. Yeah, at first it might seem like it's difficult, but this is really, really easy when you get the gist of it. So yes, I'm just using my hot comb and I'm pressing down and trying to make the look seem silk and nice and neat and to follow the order in which I want it to look like. So yes, that's what I've been going for, and yeah. So yes, we are finally done with this. This took me about 30 to 45 minutes, yeah, approximately, to complete this, and you can see how it looks after that. Yeah, so I allowed it first to cool down before I could remove the bobby pins from the hair. And yes, I love how it turned out. My favorite part is when I brush it off. And yes, yeah, the pins are out. So to brush it out, remember you should not use a small comb or a brush. You go ahead and use the big tooth comb to brush out the hair, and yes, you can brush it out in whatever direction, in whatever way you want it to actually look like. But for me, this is the look I'm going for. Yes. And right here is what it looks like after brushing it off, and I just love it. I love how it looks, and it's the exact look I was going for. Yeah, so thank you all for staying and watching this video. Make sure to drop in the comment section what you think about this style, and also let me know what else you want me to show you. Thank you. Bye.